Of course, it says pancakes on the outside, but there's a lot more on the inside. And the prices? Designed for the very hungry family.
Welcome to the International House of Pancakes.
I'm here for your Rooty Tooty fresh and fruity breakfast.
2 eggs, 2 bacon, 2 sausage, 2 fruit top pancakes.
Right.
Strawberry, blueberry peach, or cinnamon apple.
Yes, it's a great breakfast, but, Rooty Tooty fresh and fruity? I'm embarrassed to say it.
Join the club.
Now $2.99. Price is good Monday through Friday till 11 a.m. at participating restaurants.
Discover America pancakes at IHOP are really turning heads. There's New York cheesecake, Georgia praline peach, and all-American red, white, and blueberries served with all your favorites all month long. Only at IHOP. Come hungry, leave happy.